Hey, it's Al Williamson with livability.com. I want to show you what I was doing for soundproofing today. I have a high-end furnished rental upstairs and a retail space downstairs. And of course, retail needs music, but we don't want to disturb the upstairs tenant. So this is what I did. I came up with a subwoofer decoupler. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so I just took some MDF, well actually this is T111 left over, and punched some holes in it. Put 6 tennis balls in there and some leftover foam. Doesn't go all the way, just to kind of catch some noise. Then I use some leftover wire and to sandwich it all together. And that is it. And then we take this set it down in the corner like that and put this speaker on it. So the whole thing is like that, and the speaker resonates the tennis balls and not the floor or the walls. Okay, so that's it. Some people would think it's not a landlord's job to deal with noise, but it really is. If it's noisy upstairs, I have to give a price concession and lower my prices to adjust for that noise. But since I eliminated the noise issue, I can keep my rates at full market rate for furnished rentals and keep my tenant downstairs happy too, keep them in a good retail climate. Think about how you can incorporate soundproofing into one of your rentals so that you can increase your net income. Hey, if you're interested in finding more ways to increase income and reduce expenses, it's real easy. All you need to do is subscribe.